We're proud to introduce you the new and improved Comodita Avanti Walker. This is a special walker that was designed for people who lack strength in one of their arms, which can make it hard for them to use a traditional walker. These could be stroke patients, people with an injured arm, lack of coordination, or any other reason that would make it hard to use two hands on a traditional walker to turn around or break the walker, for example. Now, let me tell you a little bit about the special features of the Comodita Avanti. I'm going to start with the brakes. Instead of having two separate brake handles, the Comodita Avanti has one brake bar that activates both back wheels. The brake bar can be pulled with only one hand to activate the back wheel's brakes. You can also push the brake bar down to lock the brakes while you perform another task. Pull the bar back up to release the brake. Another key feature of this walker is how easy it is to maneuver. With only one hand, you can easily swivel the walker around effortlessly. The Comodita Avanti also has other features that will help you on your day-to-day life. For example, this model comes with a Visa cup holder included. It also has a small tray and a small bag that you can use to carry personal items. The tray, when placed on the walker, can also be used as a small table surface when you are sitting on a chair or on the sofa. The Comodita Avanti does not have a seat. Instead, you get this very handy little table with it. The last feature I want to mention is how easy it is to assemble this walker. You don't need any tools, and there's a video that we did to explain you every step of the way. So when you are ready, make sure to watch that. At Comodita, several of our products have been designed with our friends and family members in mind. We needed a special walker to help them in their daily lives. With the Comodita Avanti, that's not different. We truly hope that the Comodita Avanti can make your life a little easier too.